Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download MovieBox. But first of all, click on the subscribe button, it really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So first thing first, I get a lot of questions like how to download MovieBox, and a lot of people keep searching on how to download the View MovieBox. So I'm going to show you mine. So this particular MovieBox actually have a lot of ads, as we all know, right? So you can see you can get a lot of films, right? And a lot of movies, TV shows, anime, short videos, and rest of that. So I'm going to show you how to get that downloaded. So first thing, once you go to Play Store, you search for MovieBox, MovieBox, and you can see if you can see okay, MovieBox, I did not write it properly. So type the MovieBox, right? So you can see you have two MovieBox right here, this one and the other one. Or if you actually install this one, you're going to get the MovieBox, right? But there's another way you can actually do that. So you can just go to your Google browser, your Chrome browser as well, and search for MovieBox. So once you click on this one, the first one, you'll be asked to download this one to get this particular one I'm actually using. All right. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and if you really subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.